for the donut, you can initiate kind of any way you want. You can either just kind of start in a circle and throttle over, depending on your grip and power level. You could handbrake if you wanted to, get going a little bit faster and just kind of handbrake, or do the classic clutch kick. It's my favorite. We have a nice pylon we custom built. If you don't have a pylon, you can either find something or just imagine a spot. It's actually good practice too to just imagine a spot, because that'll help you kind of feel or get a better feel for where your car is at. You're basically gonna initiate it, then you need to counter steer. You're controlling the direction of the car with basically throttle mostly. Your steering is almost an assist for a donut, but when you're just getting started, just try to complete some donuts. It doesn't matter what shape you're doing them. We want to get them perfect. It is a lot of throttle control, and when you get into the donut or drift, whatever you want to call it, the way you're going to get that perfect circle is by smoothing out the throttle, smoothing out your steering inputs, and then picking that point that you're watching, as well as being aware of your car and what's going on. In theory, be able to basically just hold everything in one spot, and you'll just continue going in that perfect circle. Continuously putting inputs in is what's going to make it not a perfect circle. So let's go try a couple. Alrighty guys, well that was how to do perfect donuts. I don't know if mine were exactly perfect, but pretty damn good, right? Some tasty donuts.